Hey guys, I'm gonna be singing Lullaby by Latoya, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please subscribe or good comments, please, because I'm new to this. So, here you go. Missing your face, your touch, missing your kiss, it's your love, missing every little bit of peace of you. Baby, won't you meet me halfway? Girl, for you. Ooh, the many things that I would do just to feel you, hold you. And it's so hard not to ask you here. You probably didn't like me, missing you, baby. Ooh, promise to listen before you sleep. 'Cause I'm staring at the stars, looking at the moon, wishing that I can be there with you. It's okay, and it's alright. Baby, listen to this lullaby. Good night, sleep tight. Dream away with me tonight. Yeah, we could sit on the phone, but the only night is to the early moment. It's still not the same when you're far away. Hearing your voice, I got no choice. It's the only way. Lead up to closer. Get to there. It's clear as day. 'Cause I'm staring at the stars, looking at the moon, wishing that I could be there with you. And it's okay, it's alright. Baby, listen to this lullaby. Good night, sleep tight. Dream away with me tonight. Wherever you are, no matter how far, just listen to me, I'll sing you to sleep. I love you, good night, dream away.